Welcome to University 360. Well, today we'll be talking about control systems. Now, what is a control system? Well, a control system is basically a system which provides the desired response by controlling the output. Here you can see this is input and here is output. So if you could possibly control the output, then it's basically called as a control system. So here we can see the control system is represented by a single block, which is open loop system. Well, since the output is controlled by varying input, the control system got this name. Well, we will vary this input with some mechanism so that there will be a change in the output, desired output. So well, going further, let's see what actually open loop system and closed loop system means. Well, in open loop system, output is not fed back. Well, here's the picture of it, and well, there's no feedback to it, so the control action is independent of the desired output, correct? And here is the closed loop system. Now what happens in closed loop system is that output is fed back to the input, so the control action is dependent on the desired output. Well, here is the block diagram, but well, if you actually talk about open loop system and closed loop system, there are differences, right? Let me list out here. Well, control action is independent of the desired output, as we have discussed earlier. Feedback path is not present in the open loop system, if you could see, but feedback path is present in closed loop system. Well, these are called as non-feedback systems because they don't have a feedback path, and here they are called as feedback control systems since they have the feedback. And well, these are economical, the open loop systems, but these are little costlier because, well, you're making a feedback and hold that structure. It makes it complex, right? And this is easier, right, to design. And definitely this could be inaccurate, and this is more accurate when compared to open loop systems. Now we'll deal with an example. Well, when I was talking about control systems, let's see the actual application where it is used. Well, it could be used in temperature control system. It could be used in traffic control systems as well. Now let me explain you this traffic light control system. Well, let's assume a sequence of input signal is applied to this control system, and the output is one of the three lights, correct? We have three lights: red, yellow, and green, right? So like one of the lights will be on for some duration. During this time, the other two lights will be off, right? Only one has to be switched on and the other has to be switched off. Now, based on the traffic study at a particular junction, let's say if it's bidirectional or a proper junction which has 4 to 5 roads, the on and off time of the lights can be determined, right? Accordingly, the input signal control of the output, right? So the traffic lights control system operates on time basis. So yeah, this is what we learned, the introduction part of control systems. In the further video, we'll see the more information.